Phoenix Contact is introducing industrial-grade robust MPO connectors for real-time data transmission in intelligent power grids. Today, we would like to present to you the strengths and features of this new series, together with Frank Kolsky, product manager of the new M17 MPO connector. Hello, Frank.
Hello, Anna.
As the product manager for the new series, can you tell us about what makes this product special?
Yes, of course. One aspect is a complete fiber optic cabling system for fixed installation. The system is connected in such a way that I essentially have a plug-and-play solution here. The full system consists of several components. On the one hand, we have here a plug cable, that is to say, a cable with an M17 MPO connector on both ends. Then there is the 19-inch box, which is this right here, which is also available in a version with sockets. The plug is connected to these sockets, and on the other side here, we see the LC duplex coupling. Then there's the module, with 3 rack units. This also has a plug, and these LC duplex couplings here, which are then installed in what we call a module carrier or rack.
You've used the term MPO a couple of times now. What does MPO actually mean in this context?
Well, the MPO connector is actually a connector that was developed back in the 1980s by the company NTT. It's a multi-path push-on connector, which means, for example, that one version may have 12 fibers or positions, and another version 24 positions. In the 12-position version, there are 12 contacts in a single row, which you can see here. And in the other version, there are 2 rows of 12. In this MPO, there are these little MT ferrules, as they're known. And these MT ferrules are packaged here for industrial use in the M17 MPO connector. Again, there is one version with 12 fibers and another one with 24 fibers. There is also a 4-position version, but that has 4 ceramic ferrules.
Why will a customer decide on a solution from Phoenix Contact?
For one thing, because it is a plug-and-play solution that can be used in different applications. But also for harsh ambient conditions, for instance, in a transformer substation, where it is a great choice, and wherever cables are needed for harsh environmental conditions. Here, we also have a cable with a proven multi-mode fiber. And the connector meets the toughest demands because this fully assembled connector also has very good attenuation values.
And how many front connections can I now realize?
That depends on how many rack units I want to use, or the customer wants to use. For example, here we have the components for 3 rack units. Here you can see the plug on the front that has 12 poles. And here, there are 6 LC duplex couplings. This means that there are 12 contacts going from Ip67 to Ip20. Another alternative is the single rack unit version, which is this one right here. And in this version, 2 sockets can be installed, as is the case here. And also in this example, there are 12 LC duplex couplings installed.
You said earlier that the main primary application is the transformer substation, with very harsh ambient conditions. So how do you actually provide protection against interference then? Or what exactly is this protection?
What we have here on the one hand are the captive dust caps, first of all, both on the plug and on the sockets, which you can see here. On the other hand, it is fitted with a coating so that it can be plugged in securely. I will demonstrate this very quickly right now.
Sure.
Let's see. The connector is plugged in here, and now, if the coating is correct, all that is necessary to screw it on using this knurl, which is a familiar concept in M17 technology. And then it is securely connected. Another feature is that when plugged in, the connector provides Ip67 protection. And this cable connection here ensures that forces in excess of 500 newtons may be applied. This means that the pull-off force for the cable in this connector is greater than 500 newtons.
That's great, Frank. Many thanks for this product overview of the new M17 MPO plug connector. If you are curious or want more technical information, please visit us at phoenixcontact.com.